Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you actually have the blueprint and the materials. This is non-negotiable. Open your inventory, check the recipe list, and gather 3 gadget parts plus 200 mora and any specified ores. Once done, travel to a Serenidia pot bench or the gadget crafting station in your hub area and sit at the workbench. Make sure you're signed into the right character account and have inventory space free, because crafting will consume parts instantly and can't be queued. Now you actually craft. Open the bench menu, select the Waypoint blueprint, then slot the exact materials and confirm craft. After the animation, go to the gadget menu and configure the Waypoint's parameters, set activation range, a visible icon, and cooldown time so it suits your gameplay. Once configured, assign it to a gadget slot or hotkey for immediate access. Be deliberate here. Small cooldown reductions or placement tweaks change how often you can reuse it in exploration or co-op. Deploy the gadget into the world from your gadget menu and place it where you want to fast travel. Watch for the visual marker to confirm it's spawned properly. Then test the teleport. Interact, teleport away, and return to ensure coordinates and collision are correct. If the waypoint fails, check the gadget durability, cooldown, and that no map restrictions apply. If settings are wrong, adjust them or recraft with the exact parts. One key troubleshooting tip. If placement fails repeatedly,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.